Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the ways to change your Instagram password. In order to change your Instagram password, first thing first, you'll need to update your Instagram account and check your internet connection at the same time. So once you're logged into your Instagram account, it's going to direct you to the home page. Right over here, tap the profile icon. While you're on this page, tap the gear icon or the tab bar icon from the top right and go to settings and privacy. While you're on the settings and privacy, go to your account. Underneath, select account center. Once you tap on account center, you'll be able to see password and security. Go ahead and tap on it. While you do that, you'll be able to find multiple different options. So if you want to change your password, simply go ahead and tap on change password. In order to change your password, you need to provide in the recent password, otherwise you'll not be able to change your password. Now go ahead and select the particular account for which you actually want to change the password. As already mentioned, type in the current password. If you don't enter in your current password, you'll not be able to make changes. Now go ahead and type in the new password, and in order to confirm it, type in twice. As soon as you've done that, click on change password. If you provided a valid information or correct current password, then you'll be able to see a notification stating that you've successfully changed your password. And you might also be logged out of all the devices that your account is currently logged in. You'll need to log in into your account with the updated password. So that's how you can change your Instagram password. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.